Connect your router to your PC with a LAN cable. Wi-Fi is also supported. Next, connect your PC to a TV via an HDMI cable. Using Wi-Fi, connect your VR headset to the same network as your PC. Navigate to Download Launcher and press it. Wait for the download to finish. Open the downloaded file and proceed with installation. Click Next and then Install. You can change the destination path or Start menu folder before installation. Check the versions of both laptop, PC and VR apps. Update your app if those numbers differ. Create your session in VR and choose one of the options. Choose your session from the list. Click the Spectate button to enter the online session. Choose a case from the list. Press the Start button when ready. Now you can complete the case in VR and monitor everything on Spectator. To disconnect from the session, press ESC on the keyboard and choose Confirm.